If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hi Photos family. Today for our weekly photo challenge is to learn about shutter speed. We've talked about shutter speed in other ways, but this is an actual outside physical event, or maybe you're inside shooting, that's fine too, but get your camera out, play with shutter speed, change your camera settings to manual or to some option that allows you to adjust your shutter speed, and start from taking the same image but at a increasingly faster or increasingly slower shutter speed. Wherever your camera is currently set, then set it either to your fastest shutter speed or to your slowest, and incrementally go the opposite direction, one picture after another. Just go step by step, changing it by one increment slower or one step faster, one step slower or one step faster, and see the effect. Not just the exposure rate, but see the effect of things that move, how they begin to blur with a slower shutter speed. Those things that are shot the same objects that you're shooting, how they tend to clear up and the motion stops at a faster shutter speed. Have fun with that and play with it and learn from it so that you begin to understand what the faster shutter speeds offer and what the slower shutter speeds offer, so that when you're looking for a specific effect and look, feel to a photograph, you know exactly what range of shutter speed you need to put your camera into, so that you get that same stop motion or that same motion blur that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to join us as we continue on this daily challenge for this year, and we bring to you every week a photo challenge. Thank you so much for joining us. Give us a comment down below as to how this has been fun, or something you've learned, something you didn't even pay attention to or didn't notice before. Give us a thumbs up, and if you're not yet a subscriber, we would love to add you to our Photos family. Just click the subscribe button below and turn the notification bell on. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.